Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essentials. Make sure your phone has an active data plan and sufficient data. Carriers sometimes require APN settings. Once ready, enable the phone's hotspot or plug in a USB cable and enable USB tethering in settings. Make sure the phone has at least 20% battery and is charging if possible, because tethering drains power fast. These steps get you into a state where your laptop can detect a new network connection immediately. Once done, on your laptop open network settings and either pick the phone's hotspot SSID or allow the USB network adapter to install. If using Bluetooth, pair the devices and enable the personal area network profile. USB often prompts for drivers. Accept and install them. Make sure to mark the connection as metered if you have limited data, and adjust DNS or static IP only when the carrier or app requires it. These steps finalize. You finish by verifying the connection, load a web page or run a quick ping to confirm internet access, and check speed if necessary. Secure the hotspot with WPA2 or WPA3 and set a short disconnect timeout plus a small device limit to protect data. If things go wrong, try toggling airplane mode on the phone, restart both devices, and switch connection types. Test USB tethering if Wi-Fi fails, to quickly isolate whether the phone, carrier, or laptop is the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.